If you're not using these free apps, you're working harder, not smarter. In this video, I'll show you the best free apps that will boost your productivity, help you manage your time like a pro, and even make learning easier. And here's the best part. You don't have to spend a dime. Let's dive in.
Let's be honest. Whether you're a student struggling to meet deadlines or a professional trying to stay ahead, you probably feel overwhelmed. The good news? The right apps can turn chaos into control. But with thousands of options, where do you even start? Don't worry, I've done the hard work for you.
App number 1, Notion. First up, Notion, the all-in-one workspace. Notes, to-do lists, project management? It does it all. Why you need it? Organize everything in one place, collaborate with your team or classmates, customize it to fit your workflow. What if you could manage your entire life in a single app? With Notion, you can. App number 2, Grammarly. Next, let's talk about writing. Whether it's emails, reports, or essays, Grammarly makes sure you sound like a pro. How it helps: fixes grammar mistakes instantly, enhances clarity and tone, works across all apps, Google Docs, email, even social media. No more embarrassing typos in your emails ever. App number 3, Forest. Distractions are everywhere. That's where Forest comes in. Why you love it? Helps you stay focused by planting virtual trees. The longer you stay off your phone, the bigger your tree grows. Bonus, it even helps plant real trees. Who knew fighting procrastination could help the environment? These are just the beginning. There are even more powerful apps that most people don't know about, and one of them could change how you work forever. Ready? Let's continue. App number 4, Trello. If your tasks are all over the place, Trello is a lifesaver. How it helps: organizes tasks visually with simple drag and drop, works for solo projects or team collaborations, keeps everything in sync across devices. Ever wished your to-do list could organize itself? Trello gets pretty close. These free apps can completely change how you study, work, and grow. Pick one app and start using it today. Subscribe for more game-changing tech tips. Turn on notifications. Next video: how to use AI tools to boost your productivity. The future belongs to those who adapt. Are you ready?